I have this master sheet and I want to automate this into the Power Query. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll just select the all data, Control A, Control T. We'll convert this table into the convert this data into the table. So and quickly we'll do all of the sheet. Control T, okay, Control T, okay, and Control T, okay. Now we'll go to the data tab, and from data tab we'll select the this one from table to range, and this Power Query will open. Now over here we'll go to the new source, and from here we'll go to the other sources, and we'll take the blank query. Now in this bar we'll type equals to Excel, and we'll take the first one, excel.current workbook, and over here we'll just uh, you know close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now as you can see over here, the this icon over here, we'll click over here and then we'll select all of these because I need all of the column, and and take this one, use original column name as prefix. We'll click on OK, and here you see our all of the data, all of the sheet, all of the data in a different sheet have come together in a single sheet. Now I what we'll do over here, we'll take this sheet into the Excel. So we'll click over here, close and load again, and this will give me the new sheet, and it will called query 1. Now if I need to go ahead and add the data over here, we'll just uh, drag this, or let's say just drag this, and we'll add the data over here. So hope you like this trick, hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Have a good day.